Hi, dear parents. Welcome back to another math hour. Today I'm going to be teaching you the relationship between radius and diameter. This is an old skill that the kids have already learned about, except I'm going to make a video on this so that they can practice this at home. Let's try a question on this. Let's take a look. First of all, when it comes to radius and diameter, we are talking about, of course, the circle. Let us draw a circle right now. That's a pretty nice circle. We are going to first find out what is a radius and what is a diameter. I have told this to the students already. Right here we have our center point. All circles have a center. Now, from the center of this circle, there is a line, a straight line that goes to the edge of the circle. This straight line, which is kind of short, has a special name, and that name is radius. The radius is always that short line that starts from the center of the circle and it can go to the edge of the circle. That's the radius. And now there's going to be one more line. Another beautiful straight line that starts from the edge of the circle. It goes through the center of the circle and it keeps going until it reaches the opposite side of the circle. This big line has a special name. And the special name for this big line is called a diameter. Kids all know this. We've done this before. Radius, the short line. Diameter, the longer line. What is the relationship between these two lines? Let's find out. In order to find the relationship, we're going to use an old skill. DMT, division, multiplication, triangle. Let me draw one right now for you. Here we have a division, multiplication, triangle. On the top floor lives Mr. Diameter, or D. He gets a penthouse. On the bottom floor lives Mr. Radius, who gets the one-bedroom studio apartment. And on the bottom, we're going to do radius multiplied by the number 2. Using our DMT technique, we can now figure out that when you have the radius, the short line of a circle, and you multiply the radius by 2, you will get the length of the diameter. And opposite way, if you know the diameter of a circle, the length from top to bottom of a circle, the big line, and you divide it, this line is the dividing line, by 2, you will get the radius. And that's the relationship between radius and diameter. Let's use some numbers right now. Let us say that here's a circle. The radius of this circle is, let's say, 25 centimeters. The radius of the circle, 25 centimeters. How do I find the diameter? How do I find the length from the edge of the circle through the center to the opposite side of the circle? Let's use our DMT triangle. Let's plug it in. This is my radius. Radius is 25 centimeters. Take the answer, put it right over here in our DMT triangle. So the radius is 25 centimeters. Hey, 25 centimeters multiplied by 2 will give me my diameter. 25 times 2 is 50. So therefore, the diameter of this circle is 50 centimeters. And that's how you use this DMT to figure out the relationship between the two. Let's go backwards. Let us say I'm going to First erase this off. We have another circle with the center point. All circles have a center point. The diameter of this circle, let's say the diameter of this circle is 39? Yes, why not? 39 feet. That's the diameter of this circle. How do I find the radius? DMT triangle, one more time. Diameter lives on the top floor, penthouse, and radius times 2 live on the bottom floor. We have the diameter, let's plug it in. So you take 39 and boop, plug it in right here on top. And we want to find out the radius. We want to find out the length of the short line. How do we do that? We take our diameter, 39, and we divide it by 2. So let's do it. 39 divided by 2. 2 times some number, very close to 3. 2 times 1, which is 2, and 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 has no friends, but 9 is there. So Mr. 9 comes down, becomes 1's friend, and together they become 19. 2 times some number, close to 19. How about 2 times 9? So 2 times 9 is 18. 19 minus 18 is 1. Good. Uh-oh, we got a problem. This number is homeless. No number should be homeless. Who's going to save the day? Zero the hero. How do you activate? Decimal point. Boom! And we get Zero the hero with a smiley face, of course. And now finally, 2 times some number equals 10. Answer? You got it, 5. And there we go. The radius, the small line of this circle is equal to 19.5 feet. Don't forget the units. Units are very important. This is how you do diameter and radius problems. They are both related to each other. They're part of the same family. And you always use the DMT triangle to figure it out. That's how you do it. Thank you.